and welcome to all of you. This is Sky Tales by Her. Some stories are written on paper, some are written on hearts, but this one was written in the sky. A love story born between clouds. The tale of a ring, a promise, and a moment the whole cabin would never forget. It was a quiet morning in Dubai 2018. The Emirates crew gathered for their long-haul flight to Mauritius, one of those peaceful journeys that crosses oceans and time zones. Among them was Sarah, a flight attendant with a warm smile, and Adam, a pilot who wasn't on duty that day, just flying as a passenger. Their story had started years ago in the crew lounge, between boarding calls and layover coffees. What began as laughter and friendship slowly turned into something deeper. A love that traveled across destinations, skies, and endless goodbyes. That morning, Sarah didn't know that Adam had planned something unforgettable. He had already spoken to the captain and senior crew. Everyone knew what was about to happen, except her. Hours later, the aircraft, a majestic Airbus A380, cruised high above the Indian Ocean. The sunlight poured gently through the windows and everything felt calm. Sarah moved through the aisle, serving coffee, unaware that her life was about to change in the next few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not your captain speaking. My name is Adam and I am one of your passengers today. But there's someone very special on board. Her name is Sarah. The cabin fell silent. Sarah froze mid-air, her eyes wide, her heart racing. Adam slowly stood up, holding a small box. He began walking down the aisle, while the clouds outside glowed in golden light. He smiled and said softly, "Sarah, we met between flights, between time zones, and between dreams. You have been my calm through every storm. So here, 35,000 feet above the world, I want to ask, will you marry me?" Passengers burst into applause. Some smiled through tears. Even the captain joined in over the speaker, saying, "On behalf of the flight crew, congratulations to the future Mr. and Mrs. of the skies." Sarah covered her face, eyes full of tears, and whispered, "Yes." In that moment, love truly found its wings. They called it the ring of the sky, a moment where love floated beyond borders, beyond distance, and became one with the horizon. It wasn't just a proposal, it was proof that love can rise higher than any storm. Months later, Adam and Sarah were married on the island of Mauritius, the same destination that flight had landed that day. Their wedding cake was shaped like an airplane wing, and engraved on their wedding rings were the words, "Where the sky met our hearts." They say love knows no limits, but sometimes it truly finds its wings. Ring of the Sky, a true story that proves even the heavens can witness a promise. Sky Tales by Her, real stories, real hearts from above the clouds. Thank you very much.